How do personal injury lawyers get paid if they lose a case? Well, the simple answer is they don't. Most personal injury lawyers take a case based on a contingency, meaning if you get a verdict or a settlement of this much money, the lawyer takes a chunk of it. Maybe it's a third, maybe it's some different number, but that's how they get paid. So if there's no settlement and there's no verdict in your favor, there's no payment for the lawyers. And most lawyers like getting paid a lot more than not getting paid. So if you have a hard time getting a lawyer to take your personal injury case, it might be because the lawyer doesn't think there's a good chance of winning, meaning there's not a good chance of getting paid. Now, it's different being a personal injury lawyer than most lawyers because most lawyers get paid hourly for the work they do. So, literally, the lawyer works for, let's say, a lawyer writes a letter for half an hour. The lawyer would actually put in a bill, wrote letter to Mr. Smith, zero point 0.5 of an hour, and then whatever the lawyer gets paid by hour, two, three, four, $500 an hour, then the lawyer submits a bill for the amount of time on an hourly basis that the lawyer worked. And so that's how lawyers get paid. And when you're paid by the hour as a lawyer, you get paid whether you win a case or whether you lose a case. So if you're bringing a personal injury case, you've got your personal injury lawyer who's working on a contingency fee. The lawyer on the other side representing the defendant is probably being paid by the defendant's insurance company, or if the defendant's a giant company, giant corporation, they might have their own self-insured redemption or deductible, something like that, which means they're paying a big chunk of the lawyer fees. So the lawyer is getting paid whether the lawyer wins or whether the lawyer loses. So if you're in the middle of a case and it seems like the defense lawyer is like just dragging things out because he or she is getting billed by the hour, you might be onto something.